Hey everybody, welcome once again. Here is Rajesh, our YouTube channel. As you know, that we are studying mathematics, and then some days due to some interferences, it is that is why we are not showing our videos on YouTube channels. But today, so now we have started here today's video. So first, we are studying the real number in real numbers, rational numbers by proving the theorems. So here is the another example. We will take the example by means of which. So that's the root 3 root 2 is an irrational numbers. Question is here. Question. So that 3 root 2 is an irrational number. Okay, so that's root 3 root 2 is a irrational number. So what we will do first we will do that the let's assume that's solution right here. Let's assume that 3 root 2 is a rational number. Okay, 3 root 2 is a rational number. So what we will do that then it will be of the form, then it will be of the form so what forms be p by q, where p and q is are co-primes, prime, and we can also say that co-primes integers and q is not equal to 0. Okay, so co-primes and q is not equal to 0. Then now what we'll do, now p by q is equal to 3 root under root 2 is an irrational number. The p by q is equal to 3 root 2. What is, because it's an irrational number, then p by 3q is equal to 2 root 3. Then by doing this p by q 3 p by 3q is equal to under root 2. Got it? So it's a equation first, since p is an integers and 3q is an integers and 3q is also an integer, okay, where q is not equal to 0. And here is a equation first. Suppose that this is equation first, we have to write here equation first. So q is not a, so p by q is a irrational number. So p by 3q is a rational number. Rational numbers, p by q is a rational number, and root 3 is a rational numbers, and root 2 is irrational number. Irrational number. Okay, p by q is rational numbers and q is irrational numbers, but contradict that the fact, but this contradict the fact that root 2 is an irrational number. number. Okay, root 2 is an irrational numbers, but irrational numbers, therefore our assumptions is wrong. Therefore our assumptions is wrong. So we can say that hence 3 root 2 is an irrational number. Okay, and 2 is a irrational number. This is proved. And the second example we will take also example second, so that the 5 minus root 3 is a rational number. Question number 2 we will take here. So that 5 minus root 3 is irrational number. Irrational number. Then what will you do? Solutions. First of all, in a solutions, we proved it as a contradictions, that is assumptions 5 root 3 is a rational number, and then our assumptions would be wrong. Let's assume that let's assume that 5 minus root 3 is a rational number. So null number. So what will what will happen, sir? So will be infinite. So 5 minus root 3 will be in form of p by q, in form of a by b or p by q. Okay, so, where a b are composite integers, where a and b are composite integers and b is not equal to 0. Got it? So b is not equal to 0, so we can say that so 5 minus root 3 is equal to a by b. Got it? So we can say also that on rearranging 5 minus a by 2 is equal to 5 minus a by 5 minus a by b is equal to yes, root 3. After arranging we get here. So since 5 and a by b are rational number, since 5 and a by b are rational number and are rational numbers, 5 and their differences will be rational, is irrational, be irrationals, and their differences will be rational, and their differences will be rational. Okay, their differences will be rational. So we will study right here, so because place is not, since root 3 is a rational number, since root 3 is rational number, root 3 here is root 3 according to the questions. Root 3 is a rational numbers, but we know that root 3 is irrational number, but we know that root 3 is an irrational number. Root 3 is an irrational number. Got it? So root 3 is an irrational number. So what happens? So does contradicts that fact irrational is irrational number, but we know that C is a irrational numbers. So this contradict the fact that, so this contradict the fact that under 3 is irrational number. Okay, irrational numbers contradicts is irrational number, therefore our assumptions is wrong. Therefore our assumptions is wrong, and hence 5 minus root 3 is an irrational number. Proved. Okay, these are the questions we have proved here. With the help of the several examples, we have proved the theorems that's which is rational numbers, which is irrational numbers. Here is the discussions we have discussed here. So with the help of the different patterns and manners. Okay, thank you very much for coming on channel once again.